Today our topic is about Amazon. In this video we know about Amazon company and Amazon technology. Now we start. If you have just visited the channel then subscribe to channel, also press the bell. Amazon is a multinational technology and e-commerce company funded by Jeff Bezos in 1994. It started as online bookstore but has since expanded into various product categories including electronics, clothing, and groceries. Amazon's primary business is its e-commerce platform where individuals and business can sell products. The company is known for its customer-centric approach, offering a wide range of products, competitive prices, and fast shopping through services like Amazon Prime. In addition to e-commerce, Amazon has diversified its business portfolio. Amazon Web Services AWS is a significant part of the company, providing cloud computing services to business and individuals. The company also produces consumer electronics like Kindle readers, Fire tablets, and Echo devices with its virtual assistant Alexa. Amazon has a global presence servicing computers and in numerous countries. The company has faced security over various issues including labor practices, antitrust concerns and environmental impact. Despite controversies, Amazon remains one of the largest and most influential tech companies globally, with a significant impact on the retail and technology industries. Certainly, I can provide additional information to expand on the script about Amazon. Amazon's journey from an online bookstore to a global e-commerce giant has been marked by continuous innovation and strategic expansion. The company's success is attributed not only its vast product selection but also to its technological prowess. Amazon utilizes advanced algorithms and data analytics to personalize recommendations for users, enhancing the overall shopping experience. One of the key drivers of Amazon's success is its Prime membership program. Amazon Prime offers subscribers benefits such as free and expedited shipping access to streaming services like Prime Video and exclusive deals. This subscription model has not only fostered customers' loyalty but has also significantly contributed to the company revenue stream. In the realm of digital content, Amazon has made substantial investment in original programming for Prime Video. The platform has produced acclaimed series and films, making it a formidable competitor in the increasingly competitive streaming market. Furthermore, Amazon Music competes in the music streaming industry, providing users with an extensive library of songs. In the realm of artificial intelligence, Amazon's voice activated virtual assistants, Alexa, has become a household name. Integrated into devices like the Echo Smart speakers, Alexa responds to voice commands, perform tasks, and control smart home devices. The development of Alexa showcases Amazon's commitment to voice activated technology and the growing influence of smart home ecosystems. While Amazon's primary focus has been on e-commerce and digital service, the company's foray into brick and mortar retail cannot be overlooked. Amazon Go stores, for example, feature cashierless technology, allowing customers to grab items and leave without going through a additional checkout process. This innovative approach to physical retail demonstrates Amazon's willingness to explore new avenues in the retail space. Amazon Web Services has emerged as a cornerstone of the company's business strategy, providing cloud computing services to a diverse range of clients, including startups and large enterprises. AWS has become a major revenue generator for Amazon. This scalability, reliability, and flexibility of AWS have positioned it as a leader in the competitive cloud services market. However, Amazon has not been without its share of controversies. Labor practices in the company's fulfillment center have come under scrutiny, with concerns raised about working conditions and employee treatment. Critics have called for improvements, and Amazon has responded by implementing measures to enhance workplace condition and raising the minimum wage for its employees. Antitrust concerns have also loomed over Amazon, with regulators examining the company's market dominance and potential anti competitive practices. The sheer scale of Amazon's operation has led to debate about its impact on smaller business and competition within various markets. Environmental sustainability has been a focal point for many tech companies, and Amazon is no expectation. The company has pledged to become carbon neutral by 2040 and has invested in renewable energy projects. However, environmentalists and advocacy groups continue to scrutinize Amazon's overall carbon footprint, emphasizing the need for ongoing commitment to eco friendly practices. In inclusion, Amazon evolution from an online bookstore to multi-factored tech giant encompasses e-commerce, cloud computing, digital content, and innovative technologies. The company's impact on industries and its global reach are undeniable, but it grapples with challenges related to labor practices, antitrust security, and environmental responsibilities. As Amazon continues to navigate these complexities, its influence on the business landscape remains profound.